Hi there, welcome to Sterlinx Global. My name is Jay, and I'm one of the specialists in Sterlinx Global, a UK-based accounting firm specializing in traditional business and e-commerce. Our discussion for today will be about UK tax tips to run your business accounting on your own. How to do your own accounting. Usually, businesses leave matters about accounting in the hands of a professional accountant, especially those large in scale. However, if you have a small business with a limited number of transactions, you can do your accounting. Here are some tips to do just that. Number 1. Keep accurate records. This means keeping track of all your business transactions, including sales, expenses, and payments. A spreadsheet or accounting software can help you organize your records and track your finances. Number 2. Separate business and personal finances. You can do this by having a different bank account exclusively for business transactions. This aims to ease tracking of your business finances and avoid confusion come tax time. Number 3. Understand your tax obligations. As a business owner, you need to know which taxes you must pay and when they are due. For more details on your tax obligations, check out HM Revenue and Customs or HMRC website. But we will also touch on a few topics about UK taxes later in this video. Number 4. Use accounting software. Accounting software is an efficient tool for managing the transactions of your business and can be a real lifesaver from manual and time-consuming recording and computations. It can help automate certain specifics such as invoicing and expense tracking, and it can also generate reports to help you assess how your business is doing finances-wise. Number 5. Review your finances regularly. Do this by checking your bank statements, reconciling your accounts, and reviewing your financial reports. Doing this at least once a month is a good idea to stay on top of your finances. After knowing some tips on handling the accounting of your business by yourself, let's now go to the topic of taxes. Tax types and deadlines. The UK tax system is complex, and tax requirements vary depending on your business type. Here are some of the most common tax types that you should be aware of, and their deadlines. Note that we classify the deadlines into monthly and annual. For monthly tax returns, we have Number 1. Value-added tax or VAT. You'll need to register for VAT if your business annual turnover exceeds the VAT registration threshold of £85,000. VAT returns are usually filed and paid quarterly, with deadlines 1 month and 7 days after the end of the quarter. For example, the deadlines for the quarter ending 31st of March is the 7th of May. However, your deadlines may differ if you use the annual accounting scheme or the flat rate scheme. Number 2. National Insurance Contributions or NICs. National insurance contributions are payments made by self-employed individuals and partners in a partnership. Class 2 NICs are usually paid monthly or 6 monthly, and the deadlines will depend on your payment method. Class 4 NICs are paid alongside your income tax, so the deadline is the 31st of January following the tax year end. Number 3. Business rates. Business rates are paid by businesses that occupy non-domestic properties. The amount you pay depends on the rateable value of your property, and you may be qualified for small business rate relief if your property for rating has a value of less than £15,000. Business rates are usually paid in 10 monthly installments from April to January, and the exact deadlines will depend on your local council. And for annual tax returns, we have 2. Number 1 is corporation tax. Corporation tax is paid on your company's profits. If your business is a limited company, you must pay corporation tax on your profits. The current rate is 19%, but it's subject to change. Corporation tax returns are due within 12 months of the end of your accounting period, and payment is due within 9 months and 1 day of the end of your accounting period. For example, if your accounting period ends on the 31st of December, your corporation tax is due by 31st of December the following year, and payment is due by the 1st of October the following year. Number 2. Income tax. Income tax is paid on your earnings, including your business profits. Sole traders or partners in a partnership are usually subject to income tax. Self-assessment tax returns and the tax liability are both due by the 31st of January following the tax year end. You may also need to pay on account by the 31st of January and 31st of July if your tax bill for the previous year was more than £1,000. And we're done on the topic. Remember, doing your own accounting may seem daunting at first, but it can save you time and money in the long run, especially as a small business owner where every penny counts. By following our tips to do your own accounting and staying up to date on the latest regulations, you can manage your business finances with confidence. But before we end, we will also answer some of your frequently asked questions about tips for doing your own accounting. Number 1. What accounting software should I use? There are available accounting software options in the market, and the best one for you will depend on your specific business needs and preferences. Popular options include QuickBooks, Xero, and FreshBooks. Consider features such as invoicing, expense tracking, and bank integration when selecting software. Number 2. How often should I reconcile my accounts? Regularly reconciling your accounts is a good idea, ideally every month. This involves comparing your accounting records to your bank statements to ensure they match up. This can help you catch any errors or discrepancies early on and keep your financial records accurate. Number 3. What will happen if I don't file or pay taxes on time? Not filing or paying taxes on time can result in penalties and interest charges, quickly adding up and becoming expensive. If you fail to comply with tax regulations, this can result in legal action or even criminal charges in severe cases. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. We hope you got a quick grasp of how to run business accounting independently. For more professional advice on your tax accounting needs, consult us by visiting the Sterlinx Global website at sterlinxglobal.com. If you enjoy our content and want to explore more about similar topics, please like and subscribe to our channel. To stay updated, why don't you have a look at our other social media platforms? The links are in the description below. Once again, I'm Jay from Sterlinx Global, and I will see you in the next video.